The Talks Club. Keep talking, keep learning.
I want to ask you a few questions. Do you love to laugh? My darling character, Sophia, she also loves to laugh. Do you believe in relationships? My darling character, Sophia, she also believes in relationship. Do you think you have a perfect family? My darling character, Sophia, her darling husband, Samir, and her little star, Ayush, they too make a little beautiful family, a beautiful trio. Do you think, any one of you, you have got a dream partner? Sophia too had a dream partner. Do you think your marriage has been created in heavens? Sophia and Samir, they are a perfect example of heavenly love on earth. I've read somewhere 85% of the families are imperfect. You are saying you are having a dream family? Sophia was also that 15%. Sophia and Samir relationship is also among that 15% people. People used to jealous of their relationship. Even, what not I can say about their relationship. But do you think such relationships can break? Do you ever feel what would happen to such people when they fall apart? Do you think what would happen to Sophia? सोच सकते हो? Anything can happen, in this world, anything can happen. Sometimes life come into such terrible surprises that you don't know what to do. A minute second can shatter your dreams. A minute second can turn heavens into hell. A minute second and a relationship can be nothing. A minute words of Samir. I love Anjali. Finished. The relationship is finished. Everything inside Sophia has finished. But what has happened? What has happened? What made Samir to fall into love with some other girl? What kind of girl is this? How Samir can fall in love with this girl? I can't reveal also here. What kind of girl is this? What has made him to go for her? But you can't handle when something happens to you. Sophia fought relentlessly to make her husband come out of the situations, to come out of the circumstances. But with each and every fight, each and every blow of life, she kept going deeper and deeper into gloom. And a day came when in the fight of getting Samir back, she lost herself. Her condition was not less than a zombie, a statue, a person, a living example of a girl living in coma. She locked herself. She lodged herself into a cave, a dark cave. That suddenly, someone switched on the light. For a moment, Sophia felt baffled. What happened? ये रोशनी कहाँ से आ गई? But the luminosity, the brightness of that light, इतनी चमक थी उस light में that she can't hide herself and she can't run. But who is he? Who has turned on this light? What he has done to Sophia? What kind of change he has brought into her life? What is he able to bring happiness into her life? Is he able to bring Samir back into her life? What do you want? What do you want? I'm asking you, what do you want? A miracle or the same Sophia? What do you want? Please tell me. A miracle. And yes, the miracle has happened. Sophia reinvented herself. She rediscovered herself and she renovated herself with the help of this light. And slowly, she started considering this light as her angel, as a help that God has sent on her way. But what did this person did? Who's this light? What this person has actually did with Sophia? What kind of magic this person is having in himself? What kind of magic wand is he carrying? What kind of Midas touch this person is having. I know I'm raising many questions here, which may be making you curious enough to read this book. Yes or no? So, I would really recommend you. This is the book, those who feel that they are heartbroken. This is a book for those who feel transformations can happen. This is a book for those who feel miracles can happen. This is a book for those who feel there is a power in the skies which is watching you and which is actually with you always. This is a book for those people who feel, who really believe help will definitely come from God. And trust me, while reading this book, when you end up reading this book, you will find yourself transformed. Trust me, that is why I say she met life, because that light is actually her life. She Met Life, a story of transformation, a must read for everyone. It is going to transform you all.